So I want to show you how to download a font out of the box font and actually use that font in ArcGIS Pro. So here we are going to search for Cartography font and search. And once you search, so this is the name of the font, and we are going ahead to download that. So once you download, so I already downloaded that, and we are going to the folder to unpack the contents. And once you unzip, you get this file, and it has one OTF, which is open type font, and that's what you copy. Once you're done copying, go to local disk C, program files, ArcGIS, Pro, resources, and then font, and then paste in your font here. Alright, I already copied it there. So once you copy it, open your ArcGIS Pro project, and once you're here, you can now use the font that you have downloaded. So just going ahead to demonstrate how to do that, and let's do it. Okay, I'm copying the font here to change, and let's go ahead and change it. Maybe type my name, the Kalabash Mosaics. Click outside to activate that, and you realize that it has the properties of the previous font which I copied from. So I'm going ahead to change that. I'm going to search for the font. It's called Cartography demo. Click outside and activate that. Alright, so we have changed that, and you can see the font is no longer the same as this one. So this is kind of cool to get out of the box items and bring them into your ArcGIS Pro to you know, you do not have any reason to stop or to not achieve what you really want to achieve. And that's it. Thanks very much.